Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn on the Start Magnifier automatically before login in Windows 10. This feature can be incredibly helpful for those who rely on magnification tools for better accessibility. So let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, click on Settings to open the Windows Settings menu. Step 2. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Ease of Access. This section is specifically designed to enhance accessibility options in Windows 10. Step 3. Within the Ease of Access menu, find and select Magnifier. This option allows you to customize various magnification settings according to your preferences. Step 4. On the right-hand side of the Magnifier settings page, you'll see an option that says, Start Magnifier before sign-in for everyone. Check this box to enable automatic startup of the Magnifier tool even before logging into your Windows account. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the Start Magnifier feature before login in Windows 10. From now on, every time you start or restart your computer, the Magnifier tool will automatically launch itself even before signing in. Remember, this feature is particularly useful for individuals who rely on magnification tools for better visibility or accessibility purposes. It ensures that you have immediate access to these tools without any additional steps after booting up your system. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Windows 10 tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy computing.